Y'all feel it? Oh. walking on the bright side. Never have to hide again. Together never has to end.